this right here is going to help you. I promise you will feel amazing. Hello, welcome back to the Manifest Digest. I'm Dominique, and I want to talk about meditating. Now, meditating seems easy, but it's actually quite challenging to get yourself to sit still, calm your mind, pause everything for your day. That's actually challenging, and a lot of people like to procrastinate and say, I'll get to it later, but there's no better time to do it than right now. So I'll go through and kind of tell you how I meditate and how much it's helped me and what happens to myself when I don't meditate, just to kind of give you guys a little background of why it's important. Sometimes it's easy to procrastinate meditating. Sometimes it can feel like a chore, almost, just because we always are on the go. We want to keep going, and we cannot stop. And that's what meditating is for, because we are constantly on the go and we don't know how to just pause, and we have to actually make ourselves do it and calm our mind. Making yourself sit there in silence or with a guided meditation, however you choose to meditate. Everybody is different. I personally do guided meditations. I like to know where my mind should be, what my thoughts should be in this moment. It just helps me get through it. A lot of people like to just listen to calming music. Set some intentions. So what do I want to get out of this? How do I want to feel, and how do I want to react to the world? I will mentally note them and find a perfect guided meditation to follow along those lines. So say I'm feeling angry for the day. My intention will come from a place of kindness and not to overreact. I use an app that's called Insight Timer. There's tons out there, even YouTube sometimes. And Insight Timer is really good. You can literally search meditation for happiness, meditation for being kind, meditation for being triggered, angry, anything. It's all out there because we all feel the same way. We all feel the same way. So you're not alone there, and all apps have it. Not sponsoring this app, but it's perfect for what I need, because if I'm feeling stressed, I just search stress meditation, and it's like, how do you know the words to tell me? Because for some reason, it's like they always know. You can search one that's 15 minutes, 30 minutes. They're very geared towards you specifically. When I find the perfect guided meditation, I'll sit anywhere I feel like. Sometimes I'll lay down. Nature usually is an ideal place to do it, but we all don't have a nice backyard or somewhere we can just be out in nature, especially right now. So you can do it in your living room or in your bedroom. So while you're meditating, you don't want to come from a place of judgment. This is a place where you just sit and observe. Observe everything you're feeling around you, the sounds. It's a time to do absolutely nothing but sit. Sounds weird, but think about how many times you do that in a day. We literally don't give ourselves that time to just sit and observe our surroundings and just soak it all in. The best thing for me, what I do is I put my headphones in, turn it up super loud, just so I don't have the distractions, because I am like a lot of people out there that just need to keep going. This is the best way to de-stress, soak up all the feelings you're feeling, really just appreciate how you're feeling. It's okay to feel angry. It's okay to be upset. It's okay to be hurting, whatever it may be. And you just sit there and accept what is. That's how it's so helpful to clear your mind and really be refreshed after. If you guys have ever felt angry or chaos is going on in your head, but you have so many things to do and you resonate with that, go ahead and give this video a like, because this right here is going to help you. I promise you will feel amazing. I have never left a meditation and be mad that I did it. I always left it feeling good. All it is taking that time for yourself that you deserve to just sit there, pause the world around you, and relax. So do I see a difference when I don't meditate? Yes, absolutely. I do start to see a difference. I start to slip back into old programming where I overreact. I might be triggered by things more. I let the outside world really control how I feel inside. And I'm like, why am I letting things control me, So I take a step back. Have I meditated lately? Did I do it today? Have I done any affirmations, any journaling? Check in with yourself. See how you're feeling. At what point did this make me mad and so angry? Why am I feeling this way? Did something really happen to me, or am I letting something else in the outer world control how I'm feeling? That's when I'm like, okay, no, right now we're gonna stop everything and you're gonna do a freaking 15-minute meditation. It doesn't take that much time to just sit there and calm your mind and be still and be grateful for this life right now within this world and this space you're in. I notice that after I do mental checks and I do meditate, the outside world does not control how I feel. So whether I meditate in the morning or at night, as long as I do it at some point in my days go so much better and I feel in control of my life. So they say the mind and the body is one single entity. That way you can be so in tune with however you're thinking and how you actually feel. So am I really feeling this pain or this hurt or this anger? Is that how I really feel, or is that my mind? If you have the power to control your mind, then you can control the world around you. And it's super powerful, and we as humans underestimate the power of our mind. If you're somebody that tends to catch yourself feeling down or whatever it may be, this is perfect for you. Meditating is awesome. Do research on it and search on YouTube. Find other people that love meditating like myself. But there's some really awesome ones that I like to watch. A couple off the top of my head would be Ralph Smart, Lior, Aaron Doughty, I think is how you say his name. They're super awesome and informative, and they teach you about mindfulness and being enlightened. And this is really just overall, all in all, what am I trying to say? Overall, this is just the key to taking back the control of your life, your emotions, your feelings, and really have some balance and become the person you always wanted to be. If you're always somebody that has seen people like, oh my gosh, they're so happy. How are they so happy? Like, and you don't even know the whole story of their life, but you just think they're so much happier than you. That right there is looking outside and not within yourself and think, I could be as happy as them if I choose to be. That inner peace, that inner happiness of you, of who you are. And we all are happy human beings naturally when we don't let the outside world control who we are. So if you guys like this video, let me know. Let me know down in the comments. Please share. I would love to know what you guys do. I thank you for watching this video. Please stick around, subscribe, like. We will be around for more videos, so I hope you guys really enjoyed that, and I will see you guys soon.